Hello students, welcome all of you. So in our previous video session, I have uploaded how to construct angles, right, using compass, and we will be using the same knowledge over here because in the construction of quadrilateral, in this third type of construction of quadrilateral, we are given with two sides and three angles, right? So for that, the angle construction will be done by compass. So for that only I have uploaded the video session how to construct angle with using compass. So if you have referred that, it is well and good. Otherwise, please refer that videos before watching how to construct a quadrilateral, right, when angles are given. So you have to refer that videos before. So here, as I was doing in the previous question, right, so the question will consist of a rough part, a fair part, as well as the steps. Okay, so here I am dividing this page into the part for step, right? So here I will be writing steps of construction. Okay, so steps of construction I will be writing here. Then here will be my fair construction, and here somewhere I am drawing my rough figure. So you follow the same procedure which I have done in the previous videos, right? So rough figure I will be drawing here. So this part I am keeping for rough figure. Okay, so what is given here? Construct a quadrilateral more. So first of all, as soon as I heard the name, I am drawing a quadrilateral. You all know that a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, right? So I am drawing a quadrilateral which is a four-sided figure, and the name of this quadrilateral is MORE, more. Okay, now what is the length of the MO given? Here MO is given as 6 centimeter. So MO is 6 centimeter. OR is 4.5. So it is, I am writing here 4.5 centimeter. And angle M is 60 degree. Angle M means this angle, it is of 60 degree measurement. Angle O is 105 degree. This is 105 degree measurement. And angle R is again 105 degree measurement. So very simple it is. First of all, we will select a side which has two of its angles. See, we have this side also. It also has a two angle measurement. We can start from this point also, which has two of its angle measurement. Okay, how to construct this? Say, first what we will do, we will draw a line MO of 6 centimeter. So here I am drawing a line MO of 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is a line of 6 centimeter. And what is the naming? Naming is MO. So first step I am writing here, draw MO equal to 6 centimeter. So my first step is very much clear. I have drawn a line MO which is of 6 centimeter. Now at M, I have to draw an angle of 60 degree. So how to draw an angle of 60 degree? Just using a compass. I have also already shown in the previous video session how to draw this. So the same procedure I will be following up here. Okay, so I'm drawing an arc. Okay, and the first arc will be of 60 degree measure without changing the compass radius. I am keeping it here, and the first arc will be of 60 degree measurement. So joining this M point with this arc. Okay, so this is what is the line I got, and I have extended it. Okay, so simple it is. My second step of construction is at M, draw at M point, draw angle M equal to 60 degree using compass and produce it to say X, because X is not a point, so I am writing here produce it to X. We have produced it to X point. Okay, This part also completed. Now our third step. See, at O we have to draw an angle of 105 degree. At M we have drawn 60 degree. Now we will draw 105 degree. So for 105, so as I have already shown you in the video session how to draw 105 degree. So first at O I am drawing an arc. Okay. So without changing the radius, I have not changed the radius. I am keeping it over here. Okay. The first arc is of 60 degree. The second arc is of 120 degree. Between 60 and 120 I will get the angle that is equal to 90 degree, right? So here I am marking it. This is the point of angle which is equal to 90 degree. Now see, we know that this arc is of 60 degree. This point of intersection is of 60 degree. This point of intersection is of 120 degree. And this point of intersection is of 90 degree. So between 90 and 120 I get 105 degree. So between 19, so we will bisect this angle 120 degree point of intersection and this angle 90 degree point of intersection angle, right? So we get 105 degree. So I am joining this point of intersection to point O and producing it, okay, to somewhere. I have produced it. Please students, if you don't know how to construct angles using compass, please watch that video, because based on that video only we will be able to construct here, okay? So at O, my third step of construction is, at O draw angle O equal to 105 degree. Okay, at O draw angle O equal to 105 degree using compass. It is very important that we will construct it using compass and produce it to point Y. Okay, now next step is, see, we have done this. I am making it with black pen so it will be clear. 6 centimeter line we have drawn. We have constructed an angle of 60 degree at M. We have constructed an angle of 105 degree at O. Okay. Now it is done. We will draw a line of 4.5 centimeter on the OY already produced. Okay. So how to do this? See, we will use scale. We will use compass. Using compass, we will measure 4.5 centimeter okay, so it is of 4.5 centimeter, and then from point O we will cut an arc on OY produced. On this line OY produced, we will cut an arc. Okay, so this arc, actually from O to this arc was of measurement 4.5. It means that this line from O to this arc is of measurement 4.5 centimeter, right? And when we draw this 4.5 centimeter line, so this point will be R. Clear? So we have drawn all these things. So I am writing here what we did right now. Using compass, measure 4.5 centimeter, okay, and cut arc from point O on OY produced. Then what will happen? The point of intersection we named as R, or we will reduce this point on OY produced at R. Say simple it is. Okay, जो OY produce है उस पे हमने जो point of intersection है वो R already यहाँ पे mention कर दिया. Now fifth one, what is left? To draw 105 degree at R. So now at R we will draw 105 degree. Okay, so for that I am changing the color of sketch pen so that it could be visible clearly to you all, and it would be easy for you to construct in your notebook. So let's do that. So at point R I am drawing an semicircle. So angle is from this side. Okay, So from here I am drawing a semicircle. See, angle is from this side, right? It is not from that side. So from keeping at this point without changing the radius, 60 degree, first arc is of 60 degree, second arc is of 120 degree. Between 60 and 120 what I will get? 90 degree. So between 60 and 120 I am reducing the size of arc. Now I can reduce between 60 and 120 I will get 90. So bringing that point on the semicircle, right? So I have brought this here. This is the point of 90. See, everyone see here. This is the point of 90. This is the point of 120. So between 90 and 120 I will get 105. So between 90 and 120 little bit I can produce. So I am extending the size of this compass. Now I will get 105 degree angle. So this is of measurement 105 degree. Clear? So I have produced R to say Z. Okay, this is my work which I did. Okay, so now at R, draw angle R equal to 105 degree and using compass, sorry, that step also I have to write, using compass, and produce it to Z. Then one more point is there. See, RZ and MX, or I can write MX and RZ intersect at a point, comma, name the point of intersection as E. This is the point of intersection which I named as E. So last point, MORE, that is this one, MORE is required quadrilateral. Clear? So writing procedure is same as you were doing in the previous exercise questions, right? But here to represent you in this video format, I have written in this way. Steps I have written here, rough figure here and construction part here. Rough figure and construction part should be drawn with pencil only. Okay.